Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Discord not opening in your mobile. So if you are trying to access Discord and it won't open, so all you need to do is go to your settings and then you scroll down and you will find the apps. You click there and there you are going to search for Discord. You are going to scroll down until you find Discord, or you can just simply search for it. So let's say Discord, as you can see here. Then you are going to scroll down and you will find storage. As you can see, you just are going to click here, and then what you are going to do is first clear cache. You click there, and then if you want you can add the option clear data. So first you can clear cache and try to open it. If the problem is still there, you just are going to click on clear data, and that's it. This should solve your problem. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.